honor to declare officially the National PISA Games 2025 competition open.
Pormalen anang rugi ti 2025 National Private Schools Athletic Association wenno prisaa ano sa dinno kalpasan ti talo nga attempt ket natuluyan ang nag-host ti University of Cagayan Valley. At daan ti 2025 National Prisaa ti tema as sustaining the country's inclusive grassroots sports program as a pathway to the Olympics. Agbibin na lubal dagiti delegado manipod kadagiti 18 a rehiyon dito'y Pagilian. Abuklen ti upat agasot a private schools. Aglalaban da iti beneg ti sports, cultural ken arts competition ano sa dinno agbayag ti kompetisyon agingga Abril 14.
This is a historic event because it is the first time ever that PRISA National Games is being hosted in Tuguegarao City. Alam niyo po, there were 3 attempts already to have the PRISA Games here. First was the Typhoon Lawin. Pangalawa, another typhoon hit Tuguegarao or Region 2. The third attempt was during the pandemic. So 3 beses na po hindi natutuloy. And finally, today, tuloy na and I am more than grateful na natuloy ito ngayong araw.
Kang runaan a bisita iti opening ceremony ni Senador Amy Marcos ken Senador Bongo karaman dagiti opisyal iti probinsya ken syudad.
Welcome to the true north. Welcome to Cagayan and to Tuguegarao City. In private schools, you have a special and unique role to play. Only you can launch these highly specialized courses, almost customized to order so that we can truly educate our very elite students. You also have a special and unique role in research and development.
Nagbalin nga highlight iti opening ceremony ti field demo nga insagana dagiti 8,000 nga estudyante manipod iti University of Cagayan Valley. Kalpasan ti welcome dance at ket solid tinaypabuya a fireworks display. Nagyaman dagiti delegado iti nabara a panang sarabo kadakwada ti University of Cagayan Valley ken mangnamnamada nga agbalin a naragsak ti 2 alawas a kompetisyon.
This is my first national PRISA and I am so very happy. Also, the people are very hospitable and I'm expecting throughout the event to be happy and expect more friendship to make.
Grabe yung preparasyon na ginawa ng Cagayan po at sobrang babaitin po ng mga tao. Welcome na welcome po kami rito po.
Napakaganda dito sa Tuguegarao City dahil welcome na welcome po kami dito at sa mga lingwa nila ay hindi pa namin naintindihan pero the best talaga dito.
Nika Jane Ganoy, Balitang Solid North.